Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub, and this is the courses MCA and MCAS to the 214 course code, and we have given the passage here, and we have discussed the 6 questions in the previous videos. And now before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions and on the WhatsApp. This is the number of WhatsApp. You can contact us on this number. Kindly note this number 900-936-823s. We are the company. We provide all the solutions on the WhatsApp, very minimal charges. So you can contact us without any hesitation, and we provide all the solutions at your WhatsApp. Now the question number 7 is, these are the answers to 10 questions. So in this one, this example is given also, and you can see the first one is, who does Rahul for? Rahul works for JTN. So similarly, you have to just fill out all the values are here. So you have to just fill out all the questions are here. So you have to just make all the questions because we have given the answers of this. So you have to just prepare the questions of this in the left side, and I think this question, if you need answer, so you can contact us. We provide all the solution in a day or immediately also. Thank you so much, and we will meet you soon in the next video.